you live long, what do? Keep breathing. अक्कल नहीं है. So, it's called udara. Awareness, presence, all these five are functioning. And they are not their awareness is. This Pancha Prana, they are with you from infinite time, eternal time, from beginningless time it is there. In each body you go, they are there. And they are constantly changing. Prana is changing, Apana is changing. And if you go to an Ayurveda fellow, he only measures your prana, nadi shodhanam. Anybody knows how to look at a nadi? Yeah. तुमने आवड़ता है nadi? Very big thing. We teach in our ashram, we got courses for that. Very interesting. Kapha, Vata, Pitta, their model is different. Everything under these three. And then they will talk different combination. An amazing thing, just holding your nadi, they will tell you a lot of things about you. That's amazing. To me, it's all amazing. This is prana, which are more than one, which is constantly changing. If you are prana, then you will be what? Changing. Consciousness, now look at it, how my conclusions are wrong. I am alive. Why? I am breathing. Awareness is because you are alive, correct? And you are not alive, then awareness is. It doesn't depend on prana. We are so concerned about our breathing. I should be alive and kicking. If this stop, I am over. So much insecurity. And Vedanta revealed aprana. You are free from all these five. They are given. They have a function to run this body. Body is, prana is. You are, they are not there. What? You are. What independence. हम प्राण के कारण जीवित नहीं है, हम है इसलिए प्राण जीवित है. Can you imagine your freedom? I am talking about you. Don't think there is Atma who is free from prana. You are that. This is to be recognized, not to be believed. Recognized. Abmanaha. Sorry, I don't have time this time. I want to spend so much time in talking about the ways of mind. I've got so much to share with you. We need to know all that thing. Especially this generation and younger generation need to know, because there is so much stress out there. You have to become something. You have to meet the competition so much. All the youngsters are angry inside because we push them so much. So we have to talk to them, resolve this anger also. Anyway, I don't get into it. Amana. Amana is what? See, at this moment, I think myself as good as my mind is, correct? Mind is restless. Who is restless? I am restless, Swamiji. I tell you, monkey is better than us. You know, monkey is better than us. Why? Listen to this sentence, what I say. Monkey is not restless, that he is restless. Correct? Does monkey say, I am very restless? No. He is restless and he is not restless, that he is restless. Correct? Whereas I am restless and I am restless, then I am restless. Who is better? Bolo. Who is better? You understand the sentence? I am restless. Kyun? Because my mind is restless. I am restless and therefore restless. That my mind is restless. Whereas monkey what? He is restless but does not feel restless, then he is restless. Which is better? बोलते भी नहीं है, इतने पक्के हैं, बोलते भी नहीं है. Monkey is better. Listen, very important sentence I have to tell you. Today's last class, what can I do? This hand is called Karana. Karana is an instrument. Ask it to go up, it will go up. Go down, go down. Is that hand? Leg, walk, walk. Sit down, sit down. Similarly, mind also is an instrument given to you. To think, to explore, to appreciate, to do the job given is called Antakarana, correct? Inner instrument. You use it and drop it. But because of my ignorance and erroneous conclusion, I think I am as good as mine. Now look at the problem. You have got a dog, yes. When you go home, dog does what? Wags the tail, beautiful. If dog wags the tail, is a great sight to see, correct? Am I right or not? It is a dog who has got tail, correct? He is a person who has got instrument called tail to wag. Suppose the tail wags the dog, what will happen? Nothing. Suppose tail remains like that and wags the dog. The dog has to do what? Get rid of the tail, correct? Now my problem is, I use my mind and make it restless, or mind make me restless? Come on. Please answer. Mind make me restless. Swamiji, I am restless. Why? My mind is restless. Okay. Therefore, who wakes you? The tail is waking dog, or dog is waking the tail? What is happening now? Tail is waking the dog. Whenever you come and tell me, Swami, बहुत मन में व्याकुलता है, mind is very, I am restless, he says. Then who is waking you? Mind is waking you. Not a happy thing, correct? Change it. If I use the mind, leave the mind, one question I want to ask Toledo Vidwans, all the great scholars of Toledo. Can you control the mind? Some of them don't answer because if you answer only we can go wrong, correct? Sabha Madhye Maunam Sarvartha Sadhakam. The Sabha meter keeps quiet, you will be passed as a great scholar. But I won't spare you like that, okay? Come on. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the question?
Any confusion mind.
Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yeah, I am free now. How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? My job is over. Mullah Nasruddin went for Friday talk. He doesn't want to talk about drag. He said, guys, do you know what I'm going to talk? Everybody said, no, you are all ignorant. How can I talk to you? He walked away. Next Friday again, guys, do you know what I'm going to say? Yes. Then then I need not talk. Third Friday, people were ready. Guys, do you know what I'm going to say? Half of them said, yes. Half of them said, what? No. Then he said, those who know can talk to those who do not know. So I can do now. Over. Class is over. You can talk amongst each other. I tell you this, my business, people make so much money now. All bluff outside going on. It's painful to say all that thing. We are all taken for a ride. Spiritual picnic we are taken for. Bluff, all the bluff. Mind is a big business now. Meditation is big business now. Please give me one seminar, I'll talk only about meditation and the ways of the mind. Emotions. So here, one thing understand, you cannot control the mind. Why? To control something should be there. I can control this watch, right? Available to me for handling. Mind is kshanikam. Vijnanam kshanikam. Thought came, gone. Thought came, gone. Thought came, gone. Does any thought remain same? Thought stays longer or it goes away? You may think it stays longer. It's like watching a movie. 16 frames are moving every second. Therefore you see a movie. Correct? Frames are changing. Mind is a frame changing. Pratikshana pratham samana is a momentary. To control it should be there, correct? Where itself is a, for the one moment it is there and gone. Who will control what? Come and tell me. That's what people talk all the way. And you also say, oh, I have to control my mind. Hey, where is, what you are going to control? It is not there. Understand? Mistakes should be known as mistakes. Wrong thinking, better you understand. Wrong thinking, wrong messages are given to us. And you are sincerely trying for that. Yeah, how? Only possibility is that you can change the ways of thinking. Mind you can put in certain track, logical, meaningful. And mind may go other way, you can bring it back. That is possible. Gita also says same thing. Yato yato nischarati, tato tato niyamye tata. Wherever it moves away, bring it back, which is possible. You are trying for impossible, mission impossible. You understand what? You don't watch that movie? Mission impossible. You are working for impossibilities. Controlling the mind is a myth. People get business out of you. And you also think you are going to control. And they are not controlled anyway. They don't know anything about the mind. They just bluff. Like people who write book, how to make $1,000,000, $1 million, how to make business. And after selling this book, he becomes millionaire, not before that. Like that. Correct? Aprana. Mind is you are. Waves are water is. Waves are not, water is. Does the wave disturbs water? Does it disturb water? No.